Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enrolling your fingerprint right away. Open Settings and tap Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to authorize changes, then choose Add a Fingerprint. Place the pad of the finger you want to use on the home sensor, hold still until it vibrates, then lift and repeat. Once done, make sure to vary the angle slightly so the sensor records edges as well as the center, because that increases recognition reliability across real-world grips. Once the sensor has initial data, continue scanning until the progress reaches full. You'll be asked to adjust positions to capture touch edges. After the scan completes, tap the new fingerprint and give it a descriptive name, like right thumb, so you can manage duplicates quickly. Then ensure iPad unlock is toggled on and optionally enable Apple Pay or iTunes purchases to use the same fingerprint. This ties convenience to security, preventing accidental access. You finish by testing unlock. Press the home button or wake the iPad and rest the enrolled finger on the sensor. The screen should unlock quickly. If recognition fails, make sure the sensor and your finger are clean and dry, then delete and re-enroll the fingerprint to capture missed angles. If problems persist, restart the iPad and check for an iPad OS update, because software fixes can resolve sensor reliability. This sequence narrows down hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.